Imagine turning your backyard, balcony, or even a small pot by the window into a powerful act of climate action. Not with protests, not with policies, but with your hands, soil, and the quiet power of plants. This is sustainable gardening, and it's more than just growing food. It's growing hope. Part 1. What is sustainable gardening? Sustainable gardening is about working with nature, not against it. It uses less water, fewer chemicals, and less energy. It recycles, reuses, and respects the environment. Most importantly, it thrives with care, not control. And yes, you can start one right on your balcony. Part 2. One garden can change everything. When you plant a garden like this, you're not just growing greens. You're fighting climate change, protecting wildlife, and building a future where nature wins. 1. It stops harmful chemicals from entering waterways. 2. It locks carbon in the soil. 3. It saves energy and reduces waste. 4. It brings back native bees, birds, and butterflies. In a world full of noise, this is real impact. Part 3. 8 powerful benefits of sustainable gardening. 1. Reduces your carbon footprint. Less watering, fewer power tools, no chemical fertilizers. Your garden becomes a low-emission zone. 2. Protects wildlife. No pesticides or herbicides means safer habitats for birds, bees, and beneficial bugs. 3. Conserves water. Using drought-tolerant plants and saved rainwater makes every drop count. 4. Grows healthy organic food. No chemicals, just pure nutrient-rich harvests straight from your yard or balcony. 5. Encourages zero waste habits. Composting kitchen scraps closes the loop. What you waste, your garden reuses. 6. Cools your home naturally. Trees and native plants provide natural shade, reducing your need for air conditioning. 7. Boosts mental health. Gardening connects you to the earth, eases anxiety, and gives you a sense of peace and purpose. 8. Saves you money. No more buying fertilizers or expensive organic vegetables. Sustainability pays off, literally. Part 4. How to start your sustainable garden. Today, don't overthink it, just start. 1. Pick a space, balcony, backyard, or windowsill. 2. Add compost from food scraps or garden waste. 3. Choose native plants that thrive in your climate. 4. Use saved rainwater. 5. Avoid chemicals. Try natural pest control. 6. Mulch, to lock in moisture and stop weeds. One small change can lead to massive results. Join the green movement. This isn't just gardening, it's regeneration. Every seed you plant is a message to the world. I believe in a better future. So tell me in the comments, what will you plant first? Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves the earth just like you.